Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Welcome everyone, we are FRI-021 and we want to present our final report. My name is Nabilla Safiera.
My name is Dian Muhammad Altarabianka.
My name is Fara Rahmania.
So the first one will be read by me. This is our business frame. The company name is CV Carl's Production. The logo is shown there, and the vision is making an international scale manufacturing company with the main product in the form of a shoe holder. The missions are written down below. The next one is our organizational structure. There are CEO, HRD, specialized finance staff, production manager, and marketing and sales. And then we continue to STP analysis and marketing mix. In STP, we have segmenting, targeting, and positioning. There are 4 kinds of segmenting such as geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavior. And there are 4 kinds of marketing mix. The place is in Jalan Radio Palasari, Bandung. The product is shoe holder. The price is 350,000 rupiah, and the promotion we promote to Expo website and social media. The next one is strategy and marketing planning. There are 3 strategy and marketing planning. The first one is Expo. In the Expo, we attend the biggest Expo in Indonesia. The second one is social media. We do paid promote to influencers, and the third one is from website. We create paid domain per year. The website was created to make it easier for customer in buying products online.
Next, this is our product structure for shoe holder. As you can see, there are shoe holder, many more. And this is our material cost. There are production volume, product direct material cost. For the data, you can see from the table. And this is our packaging and holding direct material cost. There are 3 components there. There are direct material, box, and plastic. And below there are our order direct material cost. This is our product indirect material cost data. This is our investment cost. This is our depreciation cost and maintenance cost. And this is our electricity machine cost that is used for our machine in a factory. This is our direct cost planning. This is our indirect cost planning, as you can see from the table. And this is our executive cost planning.
The next one is continued by Fara.
Okay, now we will discuss about the financial projection. First, calculate the data. This financial data get production cost and the cost. Next. Okay, first report of project fixed investment for capital, SIUP cost, and trademark. So we have 2 sources of fund. The first is owner equity and the second is the bank loan. The accumulation of the owner equity is 80% and the accumulation of the bank loan is 20%. Then we calculate about the installment debt. In here is the attribute of installment calculation, so we can calculate the installment calculation in every year. This is the cost of goods sold. In here, we knew about the total direct cost, total overhead cost. So for the cost of goods sold, we just sum the total direct cost with the total overhead cost. And for the cost of goods sold per product, we divide the cost of goods sold divided by the production volume. This is our profit loss. In here, we count about the gross profit, the earning before interest and tax, the interest expense, the earning before tax. Our tax that we use is 1%, and then we knew about the earning after interest and tax. Okay, so this is our cash flow, and this is our balance sheet. If the asset is same value as the liabilities and owner equities, it means that our calculation is balanced. For the feasibility analysis, we use three methods. First, the NPV and PBP. The NPV in here is positive, and the payback period is about 3 years. And then the IRR in here we get 30.4%. And the last is DCR. In here, based on the calculation with NPV, IRR, and DCR, cost reduction is visible.
Okay, now we continue to facility and layout planning final report. This is the distance between supplier and other location distance. Our location candidates. So there are 3 suppliers that we choose. There are Toko Besi Bandung Juara, Toko Besi Pasundan, and Iron Store Kertajaya. We want to find the distance between company A, company B, and company C. This is the distance. The distances are based on searching from Google Maps. And then the factor rating, there are 2 factor rating. There are qualitative and quantitative. The qualitative are SDM quality, amount of worker, transport, and disaster risk. Disaster risk is like flood or earthquake. And the quantitative are land cost, UMK, and supplier distance. So we found the total rate of company A, B, and C. The conclusion is the chosen company is the company B. The reason is because it is the biggest rate.
Next, we are going to talk about routing sheet. As you can see, the demand of the routing sheet are based from demand for purchasing module or from techno-economy module. And routing sheet is used to find out the number of machines used and how much material is needed. And the table of routing sheet you can see from the table below. This is our maximum stacking. It based on the result of stacking calculation, and the maximum stacking from each facility's distance it can use to calculate unit load from the table on the left. You can use it for unit load. This is a number of chosen MHE or material handling equipment, most optimal amount of delivery time, and number of delivery frequencies for each process. You can see the data on the table. This is our large of area. From the table above, we can see the area of our facilities, and the table below you can see an area for our office dimension.
Okay, next the FTC cost. FTC or from to chart is a conventional method to calculate cost per meter from one facility to another that used for factory layout planning. The amount in here is we get from material handling cost per meter times with the travel distance. And then this is our initial layout after ARC. The initial layout after ARC is obtained after we have succeeded in making first ARC diagram, second ARC normalization, and the third is UFDF. And this is our final layout video.
So that is the final report from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.